Hey guys, so I'm going to log into TradingView and I'm going to look at what I can identify from a DVG crossing. This was the stock I was looking at. The alert is gone, so we bin that alert. So I'm going to now go to create alert, no problem. I'm going to now look at stocks that I can potentially trade. The markets are open, so let's go and have a look at stocks that have moved today. So we've got stocks that have already made a 1% move grab. Let's quickly take a look and see what I can identify. So this is on the 5-minute chart. Let's have a look on the daily chart for trades and just see what we can identify. So there's a 2-inch. It's maybe taking a breath there. We'll have a quick look at the hour chart. So just have a look at the news report. Grab stock plunges. Is the rally officially over? Top midday decliners. That was 4 days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I look at the 1 hour chart to see 12, 1, 2. It's still, but I think it's got enough momentum to take a small trade. So I will take a small trade. So we'll enter a buy. We'll go in. We'll do basically 5 shares and we'll enter there. And then we'll put a stop loss there at that one, modify that, and then we'll set up a price alert if it gets above there. So we'll add alert, and then we'll call this take profit potentially. So we'll do that. So we've got an alert, I think that's been created, so that's that fine there. And what we'll do with this one, because it's a live trade, we'll now go here and we'll make this color green for a trade that's live. So that's the position, and we'll then get out of this. We'll go back into the charts. We'll take a look at what else we've got. We've got a mover here. This is the 1-day chart. Let's look at this 1 day. I wonder if I can just move the order of this. There's a week. There's still a good 2-inch here. We missed the big part of the move there, which was much bigger than normal. But if we look at the 1 hour chart, it's gone up, it's gone down, doesn't know what it's doing. But then if we look at the 5-minute chart, it's still going up, and the daily chart, it's still there. I think that looking at this, that's still a TTT. It's still, as in it's a hanging man. So it suggests that maybe there's going to be a reversal. But at the moment it's gone up. So I think if we then just go back and take a look at it, so that's from February. I mean, it is, I think we've missed most of it, annoyingly. I am trying to find a reason to trade, as you can see. This is 1 day, it's gone down. This is 1-day chart. Let's have a look at, that's a 1-minute chart, sorry. Let's look at the day chart. Let's look at that's a day chart. It's opening up, it's going down. Okay, no, so we won't trade that. I think that, to be honest with you, this stock over the next couple of days could probably reverse, because it says at AMA Sports, strong fundamentals. This has got strong fundamentals. So we'll put that as a stock to, we'll add it to a stock to watch list. So we'll color that blue. And then what we'll do is, if we get a price alert for, now this is the day chart. This is today, basically. Then if we look at the 5-minute chart, it's going up. It's going down, it's going up. I think there could be a short move here, so I'm going to set a so it's sideways, but it's now broken it. It could go down again. This is based on the 1 hour chart, but it's still basically trending up. I think it's got a bit more movement in it, so I'm going to, it's not the perfect 2-inch, but it's okay. This is the day chart. This is today. I'm going to set a buy order, and we're going to do just percentage risk. We're going to do, yeah, we'll do 5 shares. We'll set enter buy movement, and then I'll come in, and if we just scroll down, we'll set a stop loss. It's quite tight here. This is not our exact move, and we'll set a take profit of just up there. We're not setting the percentage, but if we just quickly look at the percentage move here, if we look at the long position and we say we've entered there, then let's take a look. It's at a 1.74. So 1.74, the stop, the risk reward ratio is now 1:1. So now we'll set the take profit at that level. We'll modify it. Yeah, let's see what happens. I think that both of them aren't ideal trades, but I'm very keen on looking at stuff that I think could move strong. So this is already gapped up, to be honest with you. So this is based upon the day chart. Let's have a look at the 1 hour chart. If we look at the day chart, is it a 2 lynch move there? Start of a 2 lynch potentially. Yeah, it could be the start of a 2 lynch. Could be the start of a 2 lynch, because we've got the first move is here, taken a pause. Don't really know what this means, to be honest with you, but yeah, we do a buy there. We'll just do 1 share at the moment, and then if we buy, and then we set a take stop loss of half of the day's range, and then we modify that, and then we set a take profit of up to this level because it didn't break that level, and modify that. So we're in 3 trades now, and let's just see how these trades go. They're all down at the moment, to be honest with you, which isn't great, but we're in this trade. So we go green because we're in this trade. So if we go to NYACS, we're in this trade as well, so that's green. So we'll have a look at a potential 4th trade. Let's look at mRNA. So this looks like it could be coming up from a bottom bounce. Yeah, I think that could be a bottom bounce, to be honest with you. Shares surge. Yeah, I think this is a good one. I think it's going to be a bottom bounce. There's good news that's come out. It looks like it was yesterday, and maintained it underweight, but this is good. And then we've got obviously also, I need to understand what this means, but that's cool. So we'll set a buy order. We'll go in and we'll do, what percentage risk is that? 12% risk. Wow, 10 shares. We'll do 5 shares. No, we'll do 2 shares. We'll do 1.5 shares. We'll do 1 share. Okay, we'll do 1 share. And yeah, let's just do 10 shares. I'm quite confident on this. We'll do 10 shares, which is 10% of the account. We'll set. We won't set the stop loss. I'll go in and I'll do the stop loss now. So the stop loss will be, it's meant to be half of the day's range, but I am going to put the day there, and then we'll modify that, and then we'll set a take profit of there, which should be more than 1 for 1. And now we placed 4 trades. None of them are 2 lynch. I know you're going to. This is I think a bottom bounce. This monster. Cool. Now this could be a 2 lynch. I mean, it down and then sideways and then a gap up, and then up again. And then if we look at I guess, earnings today. This is 6 days ago, 7 days ago, 7 days ago. Apt to hold. And if we look at the 1 hour chart, cool. And if we look at the 5-minute chart, volume, 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 volume at 10. So it's not a range expansion, but I think it's strong enough at the start of another move. If we just quickly have a look at I think it will. It's already broken that level. I think it will go up again. So we'll enter. We'll just zoom in here. If we just take a look at that, then we'll buy percentage risk 10 shares, 50 shares. I'm a bit confused, to be honest with you. GBP, buy at 55.21, 1 share, 10 shares, and the percentage account risk is 0.5. Yeah, we'll buy 10 shares. We'll go in, and then we'll set a stop loss of half of the day's range, but it's not half of the day's range, but I think it. And then we'll go take profit, which is, we'll go up to this line. Cool. So I've entered now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. Let's just see what happens with each of them to see what happens. Okay, thank you.